I want the world to know. I got to let you show. I'm coming. Ah, done it. Oh, that got caught to my eyelash. Bye. Watch the video. Good morning, good afternoon, evening, good evening, that's all folks. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. Hi, this is your girl Tara Love Diva, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're old, subscribing and following me on my social media, thank you for coming back. But today, your girl is doing another baddie on a budget. And when I say baddie on a budget, that means I'm doing another hair review from Amazon hair companies that have been sending me hair, wigs and hair. Like this one here is from a hair company. I'll put the link down below. You can see where I got it from. So now I'm about to do a wig review. Well, I actually have two wigs from this not the same company, but from Amazon. So with that being said, let's get started. Let's see what's in this bag. And this one here today, it's from Candice Hair. Hold on. Candice Hair. So with that being said, I love the packaging. I love black. And then on the back of it, or in front of it, it says the best for you. Yes, email, WhatsApp app, Facebook, and Instagram. So we're going to be Instagramming them this here. Because I'm going to give my honest review. If I've been watching my previous hair reviews, I don't sugarcoat. If you're going to pay me to do something, I'm going to give you the truth. Let's see what's in here. Okay. We have a card. It's a card. And they also give you a wig cap. I don't use wig caps. I just put the wig on. So we're going to go from there. Now, let's see what Candice looks like. Let's pull Candice out. So far, she feels soft. So far. As you can see, it has the hair net on it. Let's get rid of this. Oh, I hate those things. It's so clingy to your hand. Then you have the tissue paper. Okay, it has its baby hairs. I don't know if you can see it on this camera, but it smells kind of good though. It doesn't have a smell. But of course I will be washing it. But anyway, it has its baby hairs. This is a soft lace. Then you have, the struggle is real with this one hand. I'm so sorry for the struggle look. I do believe it's about that much parting. It has enough lace in it to style it certain ways. I can't tell you how much lace it has. Okay, hold that thought. Let me put my brace on because I'm struggling for real. Okay, your girl is back. Whew. Now, let's get to the details, the specs of this hair. As I was saying, it's lace. It has this much parting space. I don't know if you can actually see it. I think this is about 3 inches. It has 2 combs on the side. Oh, cool. It doesn't have a comb in the back. I hate combs. That'd be pulling your hair out. Then it has the drawstring to attach the wig. I barely use those two. I usually cut them off because I don't like those. But anywho, what we're going to do, oh, we have a comb right here in the middle. I'm digging it so far. You can run your fingers through it, but you do have to understand you just getting it out of the package, and it's been coming from wherever it's coming from. Yeah, you can run your fingers through it with no problems. So what Tara is going to do, she's going to cut the lace off, and she's going to try the wig on. So I shall be back, okay? Hey my loves, this is your girl Tara Love Diva, and I'm coming to you with the try on. And this try on, see, I was playing it now and it's all tangled. This try on is from Candice Hair. So I laid it so I could lay my, I tied it down so I could lay my edges. So let's see what it looks like. Voila! I know I probably have some white stuff. Okay, yeah, I really do. I have white stuff all on my face, my hair. But excuse that for a second. What we're going to do is look at the hair. And when I go home tonight, when I go home later, I will be laying the baby hairs some kind of way. These flakes. But anyway, this is what the hair looked like after I co-washed it. The video you seen before this was the co-wash. So with that being said, I so love this hair. And today is coming out Donna Ross' birthday. So I will be doing some looks on Donna Ross because I love me some Donna Ross. With that being said, this hair came right on time because you know, the girl gonna do a Donna Ross look coming soon. Her birthday is today, which is March. I'll put the date here because I don't even know what today's date is. So anyway, as far as this hair goes, I'm playing in it too much and I'm getting it kind of raveled up here. But you can put it in many different ways of style. Okay, Tara, what are you doing? You could put it in different styles. You could do it the updo. I'm 50. I don't think I'm walking around my hair up like this. Not happening. You could do it the side. You could do it the side look. Or you could just push it back into a ponytail. And just have that big ponytail. Then I look extremely younger than I am, even without makeup. Or, I'm not going to shake my head too hard, I'm going to catch a headache, but you can put it in a messy bun, which is way up there. But anyway, I'm just giving you ideas of what you can do with this hair. It's not really... Okay. I mean, I gotta get rid of this ashy, but okay. And this is what it looks like in the back. It's probably ashy back there too. So with that being said, this is the try on. I have to get some mousse to get it to not frizz up. And yeah, I'm going to be honest, for a synthetic wig like this, it's very soft and playful. So with that being said, Really, Tara? With that being said, I will come back for real and do a for real video. No, this is a real video. I'm gonna come back and show you different hairstyles the right way. I'm just giving you ideas what you could do with this hair, because this is just a try on with the got to be glued and flaked it up. I have to fix that. I'm at my studio, so there's no running water except the bathroom, and I'm not in the bathroom. So with that being said, darling, why did you play any? So with that being said, I'm coming out. I'm coming out. Whoa! Oh no, not that voice, girl. Don't do that. Don't do that to your subscribers.